Talk about how can you add your music to Clapper on your Clapper app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So when you click on this sign here, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down, you will find here add my music to Clapper, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list, just waiting to open with you. Here if you want to switch account, so then here add your email and Clapper username, then artist name, and here song title, then genre here. So then here can you add fill for some MP3 here fill of your songs, and here same cover art of your music and sounds. Then here add album title and track, then years, then album artist. So then will follow all this here. When you're done, click on save, then it's going to add with you. Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.